I've been talking to a lot of brands recently, and one of the things that comes up a lot of the time is around integrations and being able to connect their sales channels and their couriers into their WMS so that everything's talking to each other. In our platform, all we have to do is go down to settings. I'm then going to go over to, if I want to add couriers, for example, I go into my courier integrations, and as you can see here, I've already got some courier integrations set. But let's say I want to add TikTok, right? Everybody is talking at the moment about TikTok ship by platform, but if I tip it right now, I can add my TikTok shop credentials as a courier, which means I can generate TikTok ship by platform labels. I click install. All I need to do is log in with the courier. What that will then do is that will then connect me into this platform, and it's as simple as that. With DPD, for example, what I would want to do with DPD is I'd add a new account, I'd put in my credentials, save changes, and then that DPD account would be added to it. And it really is as simple as that. So my collection days are Monday to Friday. My collection time, I might want to look at my service list, what services DPD are going to offer me, and then I can also add new services. We've already got all of the services preset, so you don't need to add them in, just look for the one that you need. If you want to add others, then you can create your own manual service. However, we do have most of them in here. You add the service into it, so let's say I'm going to add DPD Domestic Express Pack, add that service in, at which point that's now going to be added into my service lists, and as you can see it's now there. When I want to add in sales channels, I go back into my settings, go into sales channels, click on sales channels, and then I can go to add a new channel. And again, in this instance, I may want to, we've got over 150 here, but for this instance, I want Shopify. Shopify's already on here, as you can see there. I can, by the way, have multiple Shopifys. If you can click on here, you can see I've got 3 Shopify stores. I can add a 4th Shopify store and pull all those orders into here. Or I can add a sales channel, say I want to add Ecommerce. I was talking to a brand that went in Ecommerce the other day, install it, and as you can see here, I can then start adding my credentials in, which will start pulling through the orders. But it is as simple as clicking install, add in your credentials, and then it will start pulling those orders into your WMS account. The final one we've got is we can go into settings, and I can go into accounting channels, and again we have connections into Sage 200, Xero and QuickBooks. Again, you put your credentials in, and then you can start looking at adding your settings, and then you can connect your Helm WMS into your Xero or your QuickBooks. If anybody has any questions with regards to how to connect sales channels into Helm, or if we can connect into sales channels, please do reach out.